Hey, love, dinner is on the table.
Great, I'm starving. What did you make?
Pasta with chicken, your favorite.
Wow, it smells amazing. You're the best.
Sit down before it gets cold.
Okay. What should we do after dinner?
Maybe watch something together?
Sounds good. Did you find anything?
Yes, there's a new thriller.
A thriller? I don't like scary stuff.
It's not that scary, just a little suspense.
Last time you said that, I couldn't sleep.
Fine, what do you want to watch?
Maybe a romantic comedy.
Too much talking, too many feelings.
You're impossible.
What about an action comedy?
Action and comedy? That's a deal.
Perfect. Let me grab the remote.
Wait, why did the screen go black?
Huh? Did the TV break?
No, the lights are off too.
Oh, great. Power outage.
Seriously? Light now?
Stay there. I'll use my phone flashlight.
Can you see anything?
A little. We should find candles.
I think we have some in the drawer.
Kitchen or living room?
Living room, near the bookshelf.
Got them. Do you have a lighter?
Yes, here. Light the blue one.
Oh, this candle smells nice.
It reminds me of our first apartment.
The tiny one with the noisy neighbors?
Yes, but we were happy.
We still are.
True. No movie tonight, I guess.
That's okay. This is kind of cozy.
It's very quiet without electricity.
No phones, no screens.
Just us.
I like this.
Me too.
Uh-oh, one problem.
What now?
The freezer.
Oh no, the popsicles.
They'll melt soon.
Then we know what to do.
Eat them all?
Exactly. Emergency dessert.
I'll get spoons.
I call the mango one.
Fine, I'll take strawberry.
Cheers to no power.
Cold, but so good.
Do you think power will come back soon?
No idea. Maybe later tonight.
If it does, we finish the movie.
Deal.
Wow, it's been a while. Still dark.
Are you bored?
A little. Sitting inside is weird.
Then let's go outside.
Outside? Now?
Trust me. Look up.
Wow, the sky is full of stars.
You don't see this often.
The city lights usually hide them.
Tonight feels special.
It's beautiful.
Nature's free entertainment.
What time is it?
Almost 11.
Still no power.
Want to do something crazy?
That depends.
Let's camp in the yard.
You're joking.
I'm serious.
Actually, that sounds fun.
I'll grab the tent.
I'll get the blankets.
Help me with this pole.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
It's standing.
We did it.
This feels like an adventure.
Hey, look, the house lights are back on.
Power is back.
Should we go inside?
The bed is comfortable.
But this is more fun.
I agree. Let's stay.
I'll turn the lights off again.
Back to darkness and stars.
One day we should go real camping.
Yes, maybe next month.
I'm getting sleepy.
Me too.
Good night, my favorite camper.
Good night. Sweet dreams.